This is an app that I'm building for Intel App Innovation Contest, and the demo has been shown on the Ultrabook. It's based on the space flights that has happened, that took place in space previously from the Russian Federation as well as the US government, NASA. This app would be very helpful for lectures in project rooms, showing demonstrations of different space flights that has gone to the space. It has got 3D model. Let me just pull up, then you will be able to understand. See, these are the demo. This is the demo of an app, and it supports all the gestures that are there. It supports tabbed recognizer, long press recognizer, pan recognizer, rotation recognizer, and also finger rotation recognizer. It has got different models. Currently it's in demo version, so I've added only 5 models into it. When it would be a complete app, it would contain more models. Let me just pull up one of the models and you'll be able to see how it works. See, if I add a tap recognizer over here and add one finger rotational recognizer, now if we just change the path, you would be able to study different parts of this particular object that has gone to the space flight. Now if I add pan recognizer into it, you would be able to just move it around. So it would be very helpful when we are to give the demo of a space flight in particular class or say anywhere. It's a very useful app. It can be used for education. On the left side there would be the information on different space flights. As it's the first phase of my app, I haven't added it. I would add it later on. So when you just move out of a particular object, to get the gestures work properly, you have to release the gestures. So you have to just click on this remove all recognizers button. Then you can just shift to another model, say lunar. See, it's rotating on its own here. This has been developed particularly in Unity, where it gives this objects a 3D effect. Now I add a tap recognizer and add one finger rotation. See, now we are able to just change the path. If I add a pen recognizer, we will be able to just change it, move it around, or although it's rotating, you will be able to just move it. It would be very good GUI effects to the users or the space flights that you are going on. So when you again release this and you move on to the next object, you need to remove the recognizers. Just click on remove all recognizer and then move into another model. This is the Gemini capsule that's being very popularly famous. And now what you can do, just add tap recognizer over here and one finger rotation recognizer. Now when it comes up, it takes a complete rotation as it is demonstrating that it's moving in the space. So when it comes up, I add one finger rotation recognizer. Now you just see that as it is rotating, you are able to just tap it and just interact with the object. It's a very good GUI application app that would be there in the say the tablets. 3D models. Now again I remove the gestures and move into the different model. This is the Jupiter C model. Now I add one tap recognizer and one finger recognizer. Now you see, you're just able to move it. A pan recognizer, you are able to move it around as it is rotating also. Just move to another model and remove all recognizer. Move to this model. It's a Mercury 3D model. Add a tap recognizer and then add one finger rotation recognizer. Now just click, you would be able to just change it. Now it's a pan recognizer, you would be able to just show it to people, like it's a kind of a good GUI application. And with that, this total model would be built upon the Unity engine. My programming approach would be using C# and JavaScript using the Mono developed environment. This is a free open source tool provided with Unity, and this would just add icing to the cake and would give a better viewing experience. There is one exit button over the right side. You just click on it and this will close the application.